Alright, sorry for the interrupt. And then next, okay, during interview, make a good first impression with a nice firm handshake. Okay, macam sekarang tak payah salam lah kan. Through this pandemic, kalau kata you dipanggil pun, you just put here and then you tunduk lah. Tak perlu salam lah, sama ada lelaki ataupun perempuan. Okay, be friendly, polite and remember to smile. Okay, display confidence through your body language. Okay, don't slouch in your hair or look down when you are speaking. Jangan macam yang buat muka macam tu, jangan. Okay, you masking lah sehabis boleh. Alright, speak loudly. Ni bila you bagi jawapan, jangan jerit. Cakap je kuat sikit, bukan nak suruh you jerit. Kan, jerit tu lain. Okay? Always try to frame your answer in a way so that they can relate to the job and why you are the best candidate for it. You sembang apa pun, you tarik balik masuk ke bidang you. You sembang apa pun, tarik balik apa yang relate dengan jawatan yang ditawarkan. Be honest, it is better to turn down a job when you are not a good match. Okay? For them to try to fake it until you make it. Boleh you boleh rendahkan diri, tapi you kena cakap lah you are willing to learn, okay, about that process lah. Okay, so dia pun mungkin akan tengok kesungguhan daripada situ, who knows. Okay, prepare yourself, okay, for curveball question. You didn't train for, take time to answer, and then ask for some time to think if you need a second to formulate your thought. Boleh ambil masa sikit. Okay, kalau dia tanya soalan, you start, tapi you minta masa sekejap untuk you berfikir. And if you are unsure of what the interviewer is asking, you politely request a more detailed explanation. Minta elok-elok, okay. Minta mungkin konteks macam mana yang cik ataupun nak, macam tu. And then after the interview, thank the interviewer for his or her time. Cakaplah terima kasih, kan. Give the interviewer sample of your work if you have copy of them to keep. You rasa macam okay, benda ni boleh bagi, mungkin relate, mungkin as a supporting document for you guys, so you bagi je. It's okay, cakap dia ni, this is our project, so I would like to give you extra copies so that might be you can just browse through here and there. So if anything happen, you can just you can call me through that contact number. Pandai-pandai lah you nak hidup, kan. And then provide a good final impression with a nice firm handshake. Ini sebelum ada pandemik lah. Dah ada pandemik, jangan buat handshake ni. And then follow up with a thank you email. Dah habis dah semua, dah balik apa semua, tolong follow up dengan thank you email, surat dan juga ataupun phone call. Salah satulah, email lah lebih proper, kan. And also prepare for your follow-up interview if applicable. Ni you boleh tanya balik lah macam mana, kan. And then performing well in a panel interview. Alright, find out who will present and look them up on LinkedIn. Okay, you buka LinkedIn ni, sini ada biasanya dia akan bagi details siapa orang tersebut lah. You pun boleh buat profile dekat LinkedIn ni. Okay, and then engage with all interviewers, not just the most outgoing participant. You kena engage dengan orang yang menunggu-nunggu. Jangan shock sendiri pula sembang dengan orang sebelah kalau kata you having a group interview. Okay, be prepared for any types of question. You kena bersedia. Okay, and tips for interviewing yourself at a job interview. Tell the interviewer that it's a pleasure to meet them, smile, and be sure to make eye contact. Alright, and then keep your introduction short and concise. My name is Jashira binti Jamin. I come from Aeropolis. I'm not working yet, but I'm having a good experience while doing my practical training here. Nampak? Short, simple, tapi nampak kemas. Okay, focus on qualification. Ceritalah pasal qualification you sikit. You ni siapa, tak payahlah daripada tadika. Saya dulu adalah ketua pelajar masa zaman saya tadika. Tak payah, tak perlu. Okay, kalau you ketua pelajar yang memimpin satu-satu projek, yes, silakan. Sebab you macam freshie, kan, fresh graduate, so you kena banyak dari sudut join dengan aktiviti-aktiviti kurikulum ni. Okay, and then be prepared for follow-up question, and also remember that manners letter. Ni adab kat mana? Okay, common body language mistake. Okay, playing with hair, gulung-gulung rambut, kan, betul-betulkan rambut. Okay, 47% said having little or no knowledge of the company. Dia pergi kosong, tak ada sediakan apa-apa. Okay, harapan dia konon-konon spontan lah nak jawab, kan, tiba-tiba stuck. 67% is failure to make the eye contact. cakap, tengok mata. 38% lack of smile, tak nak senyum. Alright, and then 33% is bad posture. Dia duduk, mungkin duduk ikut sedap dia. Kan? Dia silang kaki dia apa semua. Janganlah. And 21% is crossing area over their chest ni, kan? Kedudukan you duduk tu. 9% hand gesture. Okay. Tahu you nervous, you nak ni, tapi you jangan banyak sangat macam bagi sangat movement you, kan, ataupun you cakap tu tak nampak natural. Okay. And then yang seterusnya you boleh baca lah. Termasuk clothes, tolong pakaian you, tolong make sure proper, betul. Okay. So non-verbal mistake made during the job interview. 67% fail of eye contact. Ni samalah macam tadi. Ni dia tunjuklah cara ni. Pemakaian dia macam mana. Ni nampak tak, a big no. Yang pakai yang kotak-kotak tu tak payah, tak sesuai. You pakai yang kosong plain. Kalau you dress up macam ni lah. Right, bagi yang perempuan kalau dress up baju kurung lah. Kalau pakai baju kurung, you kena belajar etika juga tau. Pakai baju kurung tak perlu pakai blazer. Tak perlu, tak sesuai. It's not the ethics of pakaian. Okay, baju kurung je. Dia dah memang cantik dengan cara dia tersendiri. Kalau you pakai selain daripada tu, macam you pakai skirt atau you pakai kemeja, they have a 3 pieces lah kita panggil. Blazer, baju dan juga kain. 3 pieces. Selain daripada baju kurung atau kebaya. Okay. So tips to get the group interview. Don't be repetitive, jangan repeat. Don't stay cool under pressure, relax. Biar je orang jawab dulu. Okay, don't be memorable, jangan duk berangan sangat. Alright, don't overdo it. Don't play well with others. Don't forget to listen and do follow up. Ini kalau group, you kena buat macam semang lah antara satu sama lain. Okay. And then quick tips to ease a remote job interview. Practice a mock call. Acah-acah orang kata. Okay. Keep equipment ready. Ask friend or family not to disturb. Sekejap cakap dia tengah nak ada interview dan sebagainya. Dress in create formals. Okay. Find a quiet place to sit and keep notes or paper or pen ready. Duduk. Ini cara you bersedia lah. Alright. So tips for conducting a successful video interview from home. Do a trial run before the interview. You kena practice dulu. Ajaklah kawan-kawan ke, kan, ataupun you minta lah sepupu you ke tolong. Okay, jadi penemu ke sekejap. Nak test tengok macam mana, kan, sebelum you nak buat video interview. Okay, then set up your camera, any headset or microphone ahead of time. Okay, the ideal background is tidy, okay, distraction free, quiet and well lit. Okay, dress professionally. Avoid making hand gesture which can shatter on the screen. Okay, so you can using the STAR interview response method. Ini yang you jawab tu kalau tak silap saya. Ada STAR method. Okay, you boleh tengok balik STAR method tu macam mana. Okay, for behavioral questions such as tell me about an occasion when you have to complete a task under a tight deadline. Question number 2, what do you do when a team member refuse to complete his or her work? Ni STAR. Okay, you boleh jawab based on this STAR lah. Okay. S, situation. Describe the event or situation that you were in. Alright, prepare lah. You have to prepare. Listen the question and think of an event. Kemudian STAR. S, mula dengan situation. Describe the situation. Kemudian task. Explain the task you had to complete. And then action, describe the specific action you took to complete the task. And then result, close with result of your effort. Ni dia bagi contoh. Alright, ni you boleh baca sendiri kot, kan. Answer for question 1 using STAR. While I typically link to plan out my work in stage and complete it piece by piece, I can also achieve high quality work result under tight deadlines. Once a former company, an employer left day before the immediate deadline of one of his project, I was asked to assume responsibility for it. With only a few days to learn about and complete the project, I created a task force and delegate work, and we all completed the assignment with a day to spare. Okay, in fact, I believe I thrive when working under tight deadline. Nampak cara dia jawab. Yang ni you boleh baca sendiri lah. Alright, yang ni you boleh tengok nanti. Boleh tengok nanti guna QR code ni. And next is frequently asked a job interview question. Yang ni saya nak you buat. Saya akan bagi guideline lepas ni. Okay, saya nak ada you pair bersama kawan you. Sebab you all ada 47 orang. So akan ada satu group tu 3 orang. Yang lain tu semua partner berdua. Saya nak buat itu, nanti saya akan bagi possible question yang macam ni untuk you buat video. You boleh buat meet dengan kawan you, kemudian you record video tersebut. Okay, masa tengah meet tu you record video tersebut, nanti you upload dekat YouTube dan you bagi link YouTube tu dekat saya untuk saya nilai. Dua-dua kena buat. Mula-mula si A akan jadi penemu duga, si B akan jadi orang yang ditemu duga. Selama 15 ke 20 minit, jangan lebih sebab nanti nak upload kat YouTube dia akan jadi masalah kalau lebih daripada 20 minutes. Okay. And then switch peranan tersebut. So dua-dua akan rasa process of interviewing tu. Saya nak video tu. So maknanya setiap pair akan hantar 2 video lah. Okay. Seorang satu. Okay. Penemu duga yang hantar video tersebut. Maksudnya penemu duga pertama A akan upload masa dia jadi penemu duga, B akan upload masa B jadi penemu duga. So akan ada 2 link setiap pair. Boleh Kalau tak faham you tanya tau. Yang ni saya nak segera. Yang unit 3 tu tak apa, lambat sikit. Yang ni saya nak you buat hari ni. Okay? Boleh? Ini semua soalan-soalan yang you tanya. Yang ni you kena study dulu Sebelum you buat video tu you study dulu. It's okay. Ambil masa sikit pun tak apa. Alright? Tak ada masalah. Okay? Untuk you ni lah. Alright, so you nak jawab pun you kena jawab based on guideline yang diberi di sini. Saya tak go through lah yang ni kan sebab semua ni a clear explanation macam mana you nak jawab. Kalau dia tanya macam ni apa should respond. Sebab soalan-soalan yang saya nak suruh penemu duga tanya pun ambil daripada sini. So you boleh terus ikutlah daripada sini. Okay? So saya rasa itu saja kot. Sekejap saya tengok dulu Your interview well, job interview Q&A session. Ini yang ni lah. Okay. Itu saja. Boleh? So anything nanti kita tengok dekat grup WhatsApp lah. Okay? Jumpa lagi. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.